All right, I finally got the Redwood Motorsports, their track and street setup. This is an in-house Ohlins coilover system right here that you're looking at. Rendered and redone and improved by Redwood Motorsports. This is their bump stop limiter kit that comes with their design. You can buy any Ohlins for your Teslas and they would work okay and fine, but they discovered that they had to design these because the way that designs the Ohlins fits to your factory top hat will put a lot of pressure on just the tip joint over here in this spot and crack your top hat. So this is what this kit is for that they designed. They also redid the Ohlins factory springs with well-dampened Swift springs. See, there's your specs of that one. And they got some helpers too. Helpers for the, I believe that's for the front, or is it for the rear? Forgot, I haven't looked into it. I also got their Redwood Motorsport extenders to adjust the top hats. The rears of these Ohlins, they adjust here. They're pretty slick. Yeah, they have a unique feel to them. They lock. I don't know if you can hear that. See those? Very clickety. Each turn is very, so this would be at the lower part of your suspension, so you can reach under the car and actually click to turn them. And this is, you can, over here is like, I don't know if you can hear that. Let's see here. They're just very nice. I have many coilovers before, and those feel super primo. And so Redwood Motorsports redesigned this piece over here. And what's the cool part is the housing actually can lower than other coilover systems that are out there. It can lower so you can still maintain the full stroke of the suspension and not bottom out. That's the whole idea with that. And I can't describe it to you, but this is forged and it's extremely light. I haven't felt coilover, at least front suspension coilovers, feel so light. And that's probably due to their forged design. I also got Redwood's Motorsports full anti-swaybar kits. These are very large, and this one's the front. Looks like the front has 2 holes, so you can adjust the 2 spots for your track intensity. And the rear has 3, so you can change obviously the outside means the smaller resistance. It gets stiffer and stiffest at that point. These are their end-link kits. They also said if I plan to lower past 10 millimeters, my car for street use will over camber in the rear. So I also opted for their camber kit, which is, where is it? Oh yeah, it's right here. These are those rear camber kits. See, they adjust right here in the middle when you install them in the rear. So get your wheel when you lower it, as you lower it, your wheel will start to tilt. And then when you can use the camber kit, you can just get it back to level so you won't wear out your tires too fast. But yeah, this is just a micro, not even unboxing. It's already been unboxed. Just overview for my remembrance. I should open these to take a look at the coils they have as well on these. These are very nice. Very high quality Swift springs for the rear as well. See, where's the number? There it is. So anyone that needs to know or how they tuned it, this is the Swift 11. So that must mean 11 kilograms for the rear. Interesting. So they made the rear a little more stiffer for the front. The front looks like 8 kilograms. So that's very interesting. Anyways, and these are the high quality adjustable top hats that, adjust the height as well for the rear. Anyways, yeah, we like the ride to be stiffer, not stiffer and compliant in control, and these guys hopefully should give us that kind of feeling. Anyways, thanks for watching.